Production takes place at the San Francisco mill, located in an ideal area of forests, sugarcane fields, and vibrant waterside vegetation. Here, sugar production is different. The most modern industrial techniques are employed in a way that is safe and compatible with nature. The changes in the fields have taken place over 11 years, but the mill has found itself challenged to produce organic sugar for the most demanding markets in record time. The necessary changes at the mill occurred quickly and involved research, training of workers, and the implementation of new quality control programs, as well as extensive investments in equipment. The organic sugarcane arrives at the mill minutes after being harvested in order to preserve its natural characteristics and freshness. After weighing, documentation begins that permits the entire organic production process to be traced at a later date. Information on harvesting is entered into a computer-assisted database, along with precise and detailed entries for all stages of production, from the field to the lot codes on the finished product. Samples of organic sugarcane are continuously analyzed in the quality controlled laboratory. The mill maintains strict standards on raw material quality. The sugarcane is then loaded onto a conveyor system, which in turn feeds the mechanical grinders that crush the cane to remove the juice. During organic cane juice extraction, potable water is added to improve the sucrose extraction rate. No synthetic or chemical products can be used in the production of organic sugar. A number of technical challenges had to be overcome in the milling process in order to make 100% mechanically produced raw sugarcane possible. Another challenge requiring great effort and creativity is meeting organic standards of production during the processing of organic sugarcane in a large industrial facility. Equipment and processes were specially modified and adapted for this. At the factory, the organic cane juice is decanted and treated in order to separate and remove remaining cane fiber. Vacuum filters collect the residues, which provide a rich and important organic fertilizer. After decanting, the juice is submitted to a multiple-stage evaporation process, producing syrup with a high concentration of sucrose. The syrup is filtered again to assure purity. The syrup is then sent to the vacuum crystallizers, where sucrose crystals are formed. The final product here is called organic masquite, and it contains organic sugar crystals and sugarcane molasses. The masquite is then centrifuged, and the sugar is separated from the syrup. This organic sugar is then sent to the dryer, where its humidity is equalized and adjusted according to exact specifications. Finally, the organic sugar is ready to be stored in warehouses that comply with the most modern standards of food storage. Throughout processing, mechanical instruments such as magnetic filters and vibrating sieves further purify the product, assuring high-quality standards are met. The mill produces sugar for both industrial and consumer use, depending on the specifications. A variety of products from Demerara to Golden Light sugar are packaged in 1 and 5 kilo bags for consumer purchase, and 25 kilo and 1 ton bags for industrial use.